Ever caught your cat staring at its reflection, curious or confused? Is that furry other cat in the mirror really your kitty? Or just a trick of light? Welcome to the Cat Post. Thank you for joining us. Our channel is brand new, so please subscribe and support us as we explore cat science. Our content is prepared by a team of veterinarians and grounded in scientific research. The Mirror Self-Test. Scientists use the Mirror Self-Recognition (MSR) test to assess self-awareness. In this test, an animal is marked with a visible spot on its body and then given a mirror. If the animal inspects or tries to remove the mark, it suggests it knows the reflection is itself. Great apes, dolphins, elephants, and even magpies have passed such tests. These animals do not act as if the mirror image is another individual. They show self-directed exploration instead. Animals that clearly pass include chimpanzees, dolphins, and elephants. Humans typically recognize themselves in a mirror by 18 to 24 months of age. Cats, on the other hand, show almost no evidence of passing the classic mirror test. Cats facing the mirror. What do cats actually do when they see a reflection? Often they behave as if they're meeting another cat, not themselves. Some common cat reactions to mirrors include investigating or looking behind the mirror. Some cats will walk around or even duck behind the mirror, apparently searching for the other cat. Aggression or fear. Many cats hiss, puff up their tail, or act defensively toward their reflection, as if it were a rival. Their flattened ears and arched backs usually signal, "Go away" to the image in the glass, ignoring the reflection. After a brief glance, some cats simply lose interest and walk away. They treat the mirror like any other curiosity, short-lived and unimportant. These behaviors have been confirmed by recent studies. For example, one detailed analysis of cat videos found little support that cats understand reflective images. In fact, researchers observed that cats typically responded aggressively or curiously, treating the reflection as another cat, and showed no self-directed actions. One report concluded, cats probably did not show self-directed behaviors, and therefore do not pass the prerequisite for a traditional MSR test. In simple terms, nearly all evidence indicates cats do not recognize that the mirror shows themselves. If cats don't use mirrors to know themselves, how smart are they otherwise? Very smart in other ways. Cats have complex brains and show many signs of intelligence and awareness. Brain power. Domestic cats have about 250 million neurons in their cerebral cortex. Dogs have 530 million. Humans have 116 billion. Their brain structure resembles other mammals, allowing for learning and memory. Learning and memory. Cats are highly adaptable. They learn quickly by trial and error and can remember tricks and routines for years. In fact, early psychological studies by Thorndike in the 1890s used cats in puzzle box experiments to study learning. In one modern study, 24 out of 86 cats figured out a food puzzle by pulling a latch. Especially younger cats, or those well socialized with humans. Well-socialized cats solve the puzzles faster, showing they can use experience to succeed. Communication and names. Cats clearly recognize sounds and associate meaning. A 2022 study showed that domestic cats distinguish their own names from similar words, responding, e.g., meowing or moving, more when their name is called than to other sounds. Another study found cats even learn to pair names and faces of other household cats. They looked longer when hearing one cat's name, but seeing a different cat's face, suggesting a name-face mismatch surprised them. In short, cats can learn spoken words, names, and link them to specific individuals. Rich inner life. Cats sleep a lot, and they dream. Like most mammals, they enter REM sleep and twitch as if chasing prey in their sleep. This dreaming helps process daily experiences and reinforce learning. Cats also feel emotions, contentment, fear, even jealousy, and solve problems, like opening doors or finding hidden treats. All these point to a sophisticated cognitive and emotional life, even if it's different from ours. Other senses and self-awareness. Cats rely heavily on senses other than vision. Their world is rich in smells. Interestingly, a 2025 study found that cats can recognize their owner's scent. When given cotton swabs with scents, cats spent much more time sniffing a stranger's scent than their owners, indicating they were already familiar with and remembered their owner's smell. This suggests cats have strong scent memory. It also implies that if we want to test a cat's self-recognition, a sniff test might be more revealing than a mirror test. Animals like dogs have past variants of self-recognition using smell instead of vision. But for cats, this hasn't been formally studied. Still, it shows cats have a powerful sensory awareness of themselves and their surroundings, even if the mirror isn't the way they see it. How aware are cats? So, do cats know the cat in the mirror is actually themselves? All current research says, probably not. Cats usually react to mirrors, as if another cat is present. They lack the self-directed mirror behaviors seen in apes or dolphins. However, this doesn't mean cats are unaware creatures. They are intelligent and conscious in their own feline way. They remember people and names, solve problems, dream, and experience emotions. Cat consciousness is just not measured by mirror recognition. Think of it like human babies. They also don't recognize themselves until after their first year. Cats may simply use other cues, like smell and behavior, to understand the world. In summary, the mirror may fool our kitties, but scientifically, it seems they do not really see themselves in it. They are, however, sharp and aware animals with a rich internal life. Enjoyed this exploration? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Cat Post for more fascinating cat science. Let us know in the comments how your cat reacts to mirrors.